to my YouTube video. If you're new here, I'm Fia, and I'm the only person here doing a fidget challenge. So, first of all, make sure you hit that subscribe button, turn notifications on, and shoot thumbs up, and like this video. And also comment down below whenever you're done what you think of it. So first, we've got this plushie. It has a smiley face, as you can see. And it's happy. If you're really angry and sad, it goes blue. If you're a boy, you can go like this. Oh, that's not the way my t-shirt looks. Next, we have this octopus puppet, as you can see. Then you can pop it. I have another one upstairs. I'll do it for the next video. I'll do pop tuning for the next video. Next, we've got these pop shapes. So there's pink, then there's blue, and then there's orange, and then there's purple. Let me show you if they're satisfying or not satisfying. Comment down below if they're satisfying or not satisfying. Ready? And what colour would you do? I would say I would do the blue because it's the brightest colour in the collection. I'll do blue. It sounds so satisfying. It's really fun. Next, I have this spin puppet thing. I don't know what it's called, but it spins. And I have puppet. It's really cool, so it is. Next, we have this marble mash. It's called. Give you a close look at it. There's a marble, and then it has like a thing. Next, for the second eye, we have this puppet pencil case, and it's really fun to play with. Next, we have this TikTok purse that I got from Santa. All these fidgets I got from Santa. Next, we have our simple Among Us Simple Dimple. It's really cool. Next, we have these 3 monkey noodles. They're so cool. Next, for our third eye, we have this puzzle ball. Next, we have this, I forgot what it's called, but it's really fun to play with. Next, we have this slapper. It's really fun, and I might as well just use it for my own. And for the next video, we're going to be doing fidget trading with my mum. The next video. I mean, I'm busy that day. So we're going to. I'm gonna make a video with my nanny, and then with my dog too. When I'm at Donegal, and I can show you the whole entire lake. It's really cool. So, hope you guys like this video, and make sure you hit the. I know I already told you this, but it's really cool. So, Donegal Beach is really cool.